place to celebrate under all these holiday lights.
Like baking cookies, we can decorate, or singing songs all through the night.
Dancing, singing, telling stories.
Our whole family's gonna be there.
There's so many ways to share the day, 'cause all the magic's in the air. Let's have a holiday, 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 holiday party. We'll have a holiday, 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 holiday party. We're gonna decorate the tree with our friends and family, and have a holiday, 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 holiday party. We'll have a holiday, 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 holiday party.
Boy, time for a party.
We're all in.
Oh, gosh.
Help me!
Sorry I'm late. I just got this letter from Max.
Dear Dad, it's been super busy this season. In case I don't make it home this year, I wanted to wish you a very happy holiday. Love, Max.
Oh, how sweet.
Spending the holidays without him won't be. It's just not Christmas without my Maxie.
Aw, gee, Goofy. I don't think he's saying he won't come here.
He's right. If I had to spend Christmas without any of you, it wouldn't be the same.
Would it cheer you up to open your presents?
No.
Max, you're driving me together.
Well, it's not presents that make Christmas Christmas.
What makes Christmas Christmas is not what things you get. If you think the key is only what you see, then you ain't seen nothing yet. What makes Christmas Christmas is not what things you get. If you think the key is only what you see, then you ain't seen nothing yet. When we sing our favorite Christmas song, peace on earth and joy break through. What makes Christmas Christmas is sharing it with you. It's not a bow-shaped bracelet.
It's not found in a box.
Nope.
It is a sparkling purple shoe.
Or a pair of silly socks.
Don't look for Christmas spirit down from just a toy, 'cause you'll find it's something else that brings the season joy. What makes Christmas Christmas is not what things you get. If you think the key is only what you see, you ain't seen nothing yet. Love my brand new fishing pole, but the catch is something new. What makes Christmas Christmas is sharing it with you. With you, oh, 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 let's sing it. Oh, 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 yeah. What makes Christmas Christmas is standing hand in hand. Being back as one, we can have more fun. When a million plans we plan. When we sing our favorite Christmas song, peace on earth and joy break through. What makes Christmas Christmas is sharing it with you. What makes Christmas Christmas is sharing it with you.
Oh, how fun.
You bet! And all of these things remind us of the folks we love. And, well, make Christmas Christmas!
Now it really feels like the holidays. What's your favorite part of the holiday, Goofy? Yeah.
My favorite part of the holidays has always been decorating with Max, and baking treats with Max, and waiting up for Santa with Max. And
Christmas is for family, Christmas is for friends. Christmas time's to celebrate a love that never ends.
Christmas is togetherness with folks who fill your heart.
so how can there be Christmas if we are apart?
All I want for Christmas is Mickey's silly laugh.
Chip and Dale bringing cookies and Donald eating half. Daisy leading carols so we all can sing along.
Minnie wrapping presents, that takes her all night long.
We sail off on a sleigh ride, we play a reindeer game.
But if you're not here by my side, it wouldn't be the same.
So all these decorations, this tinsel flower tree.
Gosh, it's just not Christmas without Max here with me.
Oh, Goofy, I know just what you mean. You love being with family.
And we love being with you.
Yeah! You see? We're your family too, Goofy.
Family can be the ones you love, the family you choose.
Gosh, I hadn't thought of it that way.
I sure do love you, pal.
Oh, I love you too, Goofy. So do I.
We'll be your family.
Always and always.
Before you start in the ocean, wherever you happen to be, it's gonna go rippling further and further. Sooner or later it ripples to me. Look at that star, berries in the sky above. That gives us the hope we'll all be together, sharing the Yuletide holiday love. I'm gonna wish upon a wish upon a wish upon a wish upon a Christmas. I'm gonna wish upon a wish upon a wish upon a wish upon a star. And I'm wishing to see you right here with me, no matter how near or far.
Oh gosh, this is great.
Oh, here we go.
Maybe we're too far a distance, maybe we're too far apart, but I think it's true with persistence. I'm gonna dream with all of my heart. I'm gonna wish upon a wish upon a wish upon a wish upon a Christmas. I'm gonna wish upon a wish upon a wish upon a wish upon a star. And I'm wishing to see you right here with me, no matter how near or far.
Dad! But I got your letter. I thought you weren't gonna make it.
Oh, Dad, it was in case I couldn't make it. It just wouldn't be Christmas without you.
I couldn't have said it better myself.
Now it's really a party.
And you know what that means?
Tell me it's one more song.
Let's have a holiday, 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 holiday party. We'll have a holiday, 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 holiday party. Oh, yeah. We're gonna decorate the tree with our friends and family and have a holiday, 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 holiday party.
so